Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a weird burned-in issue on the display, and it looks bad. So let's go fix it. So this is a burned-in issue on an OLED display panel. So the touchscreen is still fully functional, and David is going to show you that it is by using the diagnostic tool for Samsung devices. As you can see here, it's still responsive to touch, and you can see that it will complete this test no problem. But the main issue is the icons from the home screen is fully burned into the display. So whatever you do, wherever app you will go on a smartphone, if it's a white area, it will be noticeable. You can see there on the white areas. When it's dark, it's still okay, but if you're using this for video consumption, watching YouTube or Netflix, it's gonna be an issue for you. It's also annoying because if you read something and there's a superimposed image of the icons, it's going to be really annoying. So we're going to replace this. We're starting now by removing the back cover. The back cover is, I think, has been opened before because the liquid adhesive is not factory. It's easy for us to remove it this time though. We're gonna unscrew some screws on the main board so we can remove the cover, and of course detach the components. So every component that you see here, the main board, the battery, the daughter board, will be transplanted into a new display and housing assembly. So when fixing a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you can opt for just the display itself. But here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we take it the easier route, which is having the display and housing into one assembly so that it's a faster work, better results, and of course it looks amazing at the end for the client because a brand new glass paired with a very brand new housing will look awesome. We have removed the cover for the main board. It's for the front camera, I think. This is the main board, pretty small, which is nice. Also comes in one piece. Also gonna remove the daughter board at the bottom. Have a couple of screws. There's a lot of flex cables that we need to be worried about. And this is our replacement display. You have the connectors. It's also covered in plastic, so it's brand new. So we're gonna remove the plastic for the front display, and the first thing that's gonna go in is the main board. We're gonna put back some miscellaneous parts as well. Rubber grommets, I think. And then we are gonna detach the battery from the old display now and just push it in because the adhesive is still relatively good, so it's gonna hold up for another use. And then the daughter board with the charging port and more connectors to the display. Also going to remove the front camera. It's vital that it's clean when you install it. And screw it in. So we're just putting the last pieces now. And if you have an issue with your Galaxy Note, if you still have a Galaxy Note that needs a new display, a new battery, a new charging port, You just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or your local repair service technician. If they can't do that, just go to David here. He will perform the same service to your device for a very reasonable price. Just message him through Facebook or Instagram. He will give you a quote if he can or cannot accept the repair request. And there you go. We're almost done. We're just gonna close this up and give the back cover a fresh layer of liquid adhesive, and it's gonna be good to go. And if you're not around Sydney and you want your iPhone or Asus ROG phone fixed, you can also message David. He can arrange a mail-in repair service offer for you. You can send in your broken smartphone wherever you are in the world. We will fix it and send it back to you once it's done. As you can see here, the repair has been successful. No burn-in. You can see there. It's now clear. When we go to the diagnostics, no more burned-in icons. We will test the touchscreen, which is, I think, no issues so far. It's also more responsive, I believe. There you go. Just a bit there. There you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found this useful or entertaining, or if you have the same issue with your smartphone, you know what to do. There's no way around it but to have the display replaced by a professional, or if you want to DIY this on your own and you want to take on the risk of fixing your own device, then go ahead. You can also do that. But this is gonna be for us now. We're gonna give it back to our client after a few tests. And the final, we say goodbye to the internal components. And we'll just show you the before and after. So the before and after are not really much to see, but we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.